Hey everyone, I'm Amy.
I'm Jen.
And we're the founders of Hoodzpah, a brand identity and type design studio in Southern California. And we are doing a workshop with Dribble on logo design and brand identity.
We've been running Hoodzpah for almost 12 years, and since then we've really zoned in on brand identity as being our specialty skill. We love doing it, and we've worked with amazing clients like Disney, Industrial Light and Magic, Nike, as well as small businesses and restaurants for friends and family that we love. If you're wondering, can I do logo design, can I do branding as a full system? We're going to show you exactly how, all the way from landing the client to the logo process, type, color, everything. In session 1, we'll work together. It'll be very collaborative, very fun. We'll show you how we do our discovery sessions. We'll show you real proofs. We'll give you really tactical, practical guidelines on how to do the process of branding. In session 2, we're going to get our hands dirty. We're going to open Adobe Illustrator and we're going to design a logo together. You can be designing alongside us. You can pitch ideas. It's going to be super collaborative. Definitely bring all of your questions and we'll answer anything we can. We are open books. By the end of it, we'll have an amazing logo that's iconic, that's memorable, that's simple, and you'll also be able to show your work to us and we'll give you critique and feedback on your work as well. If you're wondering, how do I do this? Am I doing it right? Well, we're gonna show you exactly how, so you don't have to wonder anymore. And this is a process that we've not only honed ourselves, but compared with others, friends, peers, mentors, and it's a tried and true system.
So for more information and to get tickets, click the link below. Can't wait to see you.